Being part of the over 40 crowd, anti-aging skincare has become a huge part of my life. I was sent this retinol and collagen cream, and what's cool about it is it has 5% hyaluronic acid in it, and then it also has the collagen and the retinol, which really helps keep your skin from getting too wrinkly. So it's a nice pump style on it, easy to swipe that off, and then usually one pump is enough for your entire face and your neck area. This one is nice and thick as it goes on. Unscented. And one thing to keep in mind, because it's retinol, you always want to wear an SPF with at least 30 in it if you're going to put this on in the morning. And then this does recommend putting it on 2 times a day. So you can do morning and night to really see some good results with it. So simple to use, absorbs pretty quickly into your skin, and you're gonna instantly get that hit of hydration with it, while the retinol and the collagen and the hyaluronic acid go to work plumping your skin and trying to hide some of those wrinkles.